Konnichiwa, fellow eaters. Today we'll be eating mango candies from Japan here on Welcome to Foodz Folks, helping you find your food and remembering the good times when we ate them through food unboxes and reviews. And if this is your first time, thank you for stopping by, and give this a like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more new videos in the future. In this show, we don't say the prices anymore. We used to, but not anymore. There's a link right here explaining why we don't do it. Specifically, we just do this for the food unboxes and the taste and the texture and the food review, so you guys will see if you like it or not. Yeah, and on the summary, I'll be saying the summaries on the description below as well, and the timestamps. If you guys want to skip through it, there'll be timestamps on the description as well. Alright, just here you go. This is from Japan, a gift from a very close friend of mine. Just pause this video to see what you guys want to see. I guess this is the nutritional facts and maybe the ingredients or not. They're all in Japanese. Here we go. Asahi mango candy. Oh, there you go. It's a good thing about Japan, they come in packages, small packages. Oh, wow, I can smell it. Wait a minute. Whoa, there's some kind of smell to this. Not mango, some kind of preservative smell aroma. All right, let's open this. There you go. Is it this way or this way or this way? Looks like this is the way. There you go. Pretty sure this is mango. Okay. Let's give this a smell. Does it look like the picture? Wait, let me take it out. Oh, it's almost the same size. Yeah. Oh, it is kind of. Yeah. That's how it looks like. Wow, sweet. It's really sweet. Yeah, it smells like a sweet mango. Here we go. Okay, so I won't be sucking on this throughout the whole entire video. I'll just give my review now. I'm gonna give this a 3. It's the thing about like trying to put a fruit into a candy or anything other than the raw fruit itself, it's gonna taste not like the fruit sometimes. Yeah, so like this one, it has a weird taste. There's like yeah, you can taste the mango, but you also taste this weird I don't know what I'm trying to see. You ever bit into ginger for the first time? You're like, oh, what is that? It's kind of like that. It has this taste you're not familiar of. Maybe it's all that preservative they put in there, all whatever ingredients. It's not for me. Might be for you. You might like it. Try it. But yeah, I'll give this a 3. It's, I don't know. Let me taste it again. Okay. Okay, I might take that back. It's 3.5. I don't know. The second time tasted better. Maybe because I'm more like I'm ready for that taste, I guess. Yeah. But that's it. Yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by. For more Japan food, here you go, folks. And for other foods, right here. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these people who farm, cook, and prepared all these food, folks.